is one way to stay cool
exactly.
too, whatever
nice
it takes. Exactly. Temperatures that we reached 93 for a high today so far. And this is so far outlining July. So you look at the temperature in red, it means the high temperature was above average, in blue below. Only 3 days have been below, and it hasn't been by much. So we're ahead by almost 4.5 degrees. Just this month alone, we've had 8 days with temperatures of 90 degrees or hotter. Rainfall, we have not had enough by any means. We're down by almost 1.5 inches. So it makes 16 days we've had with 90-degree temperatures or hotter so far this year. We averaged 12, so we're above that. The most we've ever had, 39. You compare it to last year, we only had 7 days of temperatures of 90 degrees or hotter. And with the heat, the humidity, we are seeing some of these storms popping back toward Grand Rapids. A little bit of lightning too. We're seeing some of it in Ann Arbor, so Washtenaw County points to the east. Very random too, so we're not getting a lot of lead time to track these storms as they just sort of pop up. Now once the sun sets, we'll start to see these diminish pretty quickly. May catch an isolated shower or storm overnight, but nothing widespread. Temperatures right now, it is 90 downtown, 92 in Ann Arbor, 87 degrees in Mount Clemens, Windsor at 90, so a lot of heat around. High dew points too. The higher the number goes, likely the more uncomfortable you feel. A lot of moisture in the atmosphere. We're near 70. We'll likely surpass that 70-degree dew point tomorrow. So that's when all the heat, the humidity really peaks out ahead of the approaching cold front. Feels like 97 in Ann Arbor, so our heat index into the low to mid 90s all across the area. We look at tomorrow, we're not going to get a break until the cold front comes through, and that'll be late in the day. So our temperatures approaching 90, upper 80s tomorrow, but again, it's going to feel like the mid 90s for yet one more day. So here's the setup. We have an area of low pressure to the east. This is the cold front we'll be watching for tomorrow. So out ahead of it, we're seeing the high humidity, the high heat. That's going to continue for tomorrow, but by the afternoon, we're likely going to see some of these storms pop because we have that trigger we need. It's the cold front. Isolated severe storm, it will be possible. We're what we call a marginal risk put out by the Storm Prediction Center. You can see most of Metro Detroit included, something we'll watch closely. So we're going to time things out. We're not looking at a whole lot of action as we go through the overnight hours, maybe just an isolated cell. This is tomorrow morning. Should start off dry, and then you can see just really starts to pop up after 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Stays with us through the evening until that front passes through. Keep in mind the main threats with the storms tomorrow would be a strong wind gust and some very heavy rain just because of the atmosphere is so saturated. Temperatures tonight, we're down to 75. That's mild, that's muggy, areas of fog and haze, and we'll top off near 90 tomorrow. And then there it is. It all breaks on Tuesday. Lower humidity, lower heat near 80. We'll stay there for a couple days. Pretty refreshing change.
All right.